Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about squeegee rubber and what type of rubber is best for the time of year. There's a lot of different squeegee rubber options out there. Honestly, the best thing you can do is find one that you like and stick with that. It's all personal preference. But if it's going to be the middle of winter or very cold temperatures, you're going to want to use a soft squeegee rubber. This is Unger Ergotech soft rubber. This is what I found to be the best during the winter. It's also a round rubber, so you can use it in many different squeegee channels from Ettore, Unger, Pulex. Just you can't use it in sorbo channels. But I would definitely say that running a softer rubber during the winter time is going to stop a lot of the extra residual bleeding that comes off of squeegee rubber. Basically what that is that when you're fanning or you're straight pulling during the winter, you'll see a lot more residual water coming off the squeegee rubber, and it's just taking longer to dry. So that's always the biggest question I get when it starts getting colder from newer window cleaners who started during the warmer months. Why am I seeing so much more stuff left behind? It's colder, so you just have to use a rubber that will conform with the glass a little bit more. So a softer rubber like the Unger Ergotech soft rubber is just going to allow you to have a little bit more play in the rubber so that it's able to grab that water a little better and leave less residual water behind as far as the bleeding goes. Next type of squeegee rubber would be medium rubber. I consider Ettore Master Rubber to be medium. For me, that's my opinion on it. Some would call it soft as well, but I find it to be a very good all year rubber, and that I can use it in cold climates and use it in hot climates. I do find though that this is not going to be as durable though as like a silicone rubber, even though it has better glide than a silicone rubber. If you want a squeegee rubber that is going to last a while as far as the edges not shredding, if you see a colored rubber like this, green, red, maybe silver, like the Mormon rubber, that is going to be more durable as far as the edges are not going to wear out as quick or shred. But that's going to be better for warmer temperatures. A rubber like this that's a little bit more closer to medium or hard is going to leave behind a lot of residual water during the winter time. So I definitely say that if you're looking for a squeegee rubber that is going to be better for the spring, summer months, I would definitely go with more of a medium to a hard rubber. Now, hard rubber can be very, very hard as far as on the glass. It hardly has any give to it. So it's definitely going to be personal preference. But the biggest thing to remember when looking at squeegee rubber is that soft is for the winter time, medium and hard rubber are going to be for warmer times. Now, once again, it's all personal preference. So I can't really tell you which squeegee rubber you're going to like best, but I would just go by kind of what I've mentioned here as far as what time of year is best to use them to decide on what squeegee rubber you'd really like. My personal opinion, I would stick as much as possible with Ettore Master Rubber. If you have any other questions about the differences between hard or soft rubber, comment below. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.